Hey everyone, Daniel Oliverio here again. Thank you all so much for the requests. Here's the full version of I'll Be Your Man acoustic. I hope you all enjoy it.
Here I am, trying to make these changes, doing my best to try and right the wrongs. I've been scared to look at my reflection, scared of waking up to find you gone, breaking old habits, laying new foundations, building something stronger than yesterday, finding you in all of the small moments, more than these words can never say. I'll be your man, hold my hand, don't let go. And I'm so scared of losing you, my love. I see your eyes in our children, I see your heart every time they smile. Every dream we ever dreamed of living in this moment here right now. And I'll be your man, hold my hand and don't let go. And I'm so scared of losing you, my love. Come a little closer, let me hold you tight. I don't have all the answers, but I know this love is right. Stay right here beside me, let the world slow down. It's always been you, baby, wherever you are. I'll be your man, hold my hand and don't let go. And I'm so scared of losing you, my love. Now and forever, heart and soul, I'm choosing you. And I'll be your man, hold my hand and don't let go.